are. Blizzard. It's a blizzard day. I still made it to work though. Damn it. Anyway, just digging paths through the snow here. It's what is it, March the 23rd today? So there you go. Everything's snowy and white. And yep. And again, I dig my chickens out and feed them. And that's them down there. Anyway, we're going to have dinner with the neighbours. And oh, sounds like somebody's crying over there. That's no good. So I'm going to check it out. Josephine's over there. And see what's going on here. It's down the alley. What's going on? Hey, Izzy. Oh. Hey, guys.
Why don't you go see Dad over at Jeff's?
Hey, Brady.
You to brush yourself off.
Hey. Throw that at me. Anyway, there you go. Oh, jeez, I'm in a snow fight now. All right. There's Devin. Oh,
Watch
geez.
the phone, Devin.
I know, I'm going for his lower body.
Don't hit the iPhone. Way too expensive. All right, Josephine.
Can you help me with my glove? I'm sorry.
I can. I need to get you some proper gloves, don't I? Oh,
Yes.
sorry, darling.
It's okay. Just help me with this.
All right.